Good morning mga momshies. Today we're gonna cook spam and eggs. We're gonna do like 4 slices of spam lang kasi si mommy and si mama lang and akong kakain, and then eggs as well. So yan, let's start cooking mga momshies. Do what you call this, avocado oil. Guys, we're gonna fry the spam na right there. Fry na natin yung spam mga momshies. Ayan, mga momshies. Fry na lang natin to, tapos mag fried rice tayo. Momshies, almost done na ang ating spam. So guys, fried rice naman tayo ngayon. Put some granulated garlic. And of course, we're gonna put some light soy sauce to it. There you go. And mix na lang natin. Momshies, plating na tayo. Let's go eat. Enjoy. Let's kain na tayo. Masarap siya. Meron ganito sa Philippines, spam and eggs. Anong tawag sa silog? Spam silog. Spam silog. Sarap. Minsan nakakamiss yung ganitong ulam. Spam and eggs. It's really good. Tapos sabayan nyo ng coffee. Sarap. Kain na tayo mga momshies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos for more videos to come. Ingat. God bless!